A short note on symbol. Symbol is anything used to represent something else, such as a sign or mark, an object, a person, a place, an action, or an event. Symbol, as a literary device, is something concrete, stands for something higher, more complex and abstract. For instance, rose is used to suggest beauty. A tree might symbolize nature. Einstein symbolizes genius in our culture. A symbol may be universal or private. Darkness and light are universal symbols of evil and good. The dove is a universal symbol of peace. Grass is the universal symbol of the earth. On the contrary, grass in Walt Whitman's Song of Myself is a symbol of individual identity in unity, which is the basic essential of democracy. Sometimes private symbols are complex and elusive. For example, in Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness, white primarily symbolizes civilization and black savagery, but later evil is revealed in the white man and blacks represent higher values. A symbol differs from a literal image, metaphor, and an emblem in an allegory. Symbolism was a literary and artistic movement originated in France in the late 19th and the 20th century. Symbolist authors and artists expressed individual emotional experience using highly symbolized language. Symbolist movement rejected naturalism and realism. Symbolists believed that the purpose of art was not to represent reality but to access greater truths by the systematic derangement of the senses, as Rimbaud described it. The translated works of Edgar Allan Poe influenced the French symbolists. The principal symbolist poets include Charles Baudelaire, Stéphane Mallarmé, Arthur Rimbaud, and Paul Verlaine. They wrote richly suggestive and musical free verse that exploited the evocative power of private symbols. Symbolists influenced the English language writers like W. B. Yeats, T. S. Eliot, Dylan Thomas, Ezra Pound, Virginia Woolf, and James Joyce. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel English Vinglish.